Subway's the best way to eat fresh, and it just got even breader. That's right. To unveil our new line of artisan breads, we took to the streets of New York to see what our fans had to say.
What is this a man on the street? I'm so good at these. Okay. I rock these. Yeah. What is this? Is this bread?
You just want me to guess the flavor? Chimp diaper?
Oh wow. Definitely garbage. Cheddar. Yeah, garbage cheddar.
I want to say herpes cream for like if you had herpes the cream. But I like it.
Here we go. I'm sorry, this bread is broken. It's broken. This is broken.
Okay.
Tastes like salt on a perfumed dick.
Newspaper that old women would find fish in. Again, I love it.
Oh, okay, well that's unusable. All
Yeah,
of it.
no, that's right in the trash.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good diverse cast though. I mean,
I'm loving
Yeah,
that.
no, that's
let's keep
A+,
that for
yeah.
sure. Yeah. We need to tell people what to say.
Yeah, I should.
Yes.
I will write something. Yeah.
Please,
definitely.
that'd be great.
Ooh.
Hey gang, could you guys get some more bread?
Desperate Women. Comedy.